Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, we'll be talking about the reason why your cake is not soft and what to do to make your cake so moist, so soft and tender. So you can see this beautiful cake I have here, so moist, tender and soft. So if you want your cake to look this way, if you want it to come, the outcome to be like this, so make sure you stick to this video to the end, and please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's important you subscribe so that if I drop new video, you will get an alert. You can see this lovely red velvet cake, chocolate and vanilla cake. Do you want the recipe? I'll be sharing it in my channel. If you know me, you will know I share all my recipes here. This particular cake, I will be sharing how I made the chocolate, how I prepared the red velvet. So feel free to subscribe so that if I drop new video, you will get an alert. So today is my birthday. Are you aware? Hey, today is my birthday. Yes, by God's grace, I'm the CEO of Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. I'm so happy to God for His mercy towards me today. I added extra year to my life. It is not by my power. I didn't merit it, but His mercy kept me. He has been with me. He has shown me mercy more than I ever imagined. So today I'm celebrating my birthday with this piece of cake. You can see it. I heard bakers don't eat cake. Have you heard? Are you a baker? They say that we don't eat cake. Today I'm going to finish this. Yes, I'm going to eat this cake you're seeing, this beautiful piece you're seeing right here. I'm going to eat it in celebration of my birthday, while I talk to you about why your cake comes out strong and what to do to make it soft. Okay, so first I'll be showing you my beautiful cake. You can see how soft and tender the cake is looking. I believe you're seeing it. How soft and tender my cake is looking. It's very soft. I freeze it. That's why it's looking this way, but it's too soft. The vanilla. They say we don't eat cake. So today I'm eating my cake. Yes, I'm eating my cake in celebration of my birthday. I need a word of prayer from you. Feel free to wish me every wishable. Feel free to send in word of prayers. Feel free to send me anything, gifts. Yes, I need birthday gifts. Yes. You can even ask me of my account number. Me, I will drop it. I will drop it. So feel free. I need birthday gift from this channel. I don't know who is giving me this birthday gift, but the truth is that I need birthday gift from my channel. Thanks in advance. Okay, back to why your cake comes out hard. We are in a hurry when we are baking. We bake our cake and we are in a hurry to meet something else. You on your oven is too hot and you just put your cake without checking. Don't put your cake inside the oven and go and start sleeping. No. Even though you lower it to the lowest, immediately that cake is done, nobody is there to remove it, it will start getting stiff and strong. So that is just the simple truth. That is one. When you overbake your cake, it will make it strong. That is one. Number two, when your oven is so hot, it can make your cake come out strong. Number three, when your flour is too much, it can make your cake come out strong. And number four is when you expose your cake to, when you expose it to air when after baking. Yes, it can turn your cake to be strong and stiff. Yes. So first, I'll be telling you how you can revive that cake when it comes out strong. You don't know what to do. The first thing you would think of is to go for your sugar syrup. Yes, you need your sugar syrup. How to prepare sugar syrup? Put sugar, normal sugar, grounded sugar, with water to boil. Allow it to boil up to 10 minutes. Allow it to cook. You can put it in your spray bottle and you sprinkle on the cake before you decorate. It can help and revive back your cake. That is one. So to avoid it totally, for it not to happen, please, when you're baking, lower your oven. It's better your cake stay up to 1 hour and come out so tender and soft than you be in a hurry to bake for 25 minutes or 30 minutes and your cake end up to be strong. So better lower the oven very, very low so that it can take time and it will come out beautiful and soft. That is one. And the second one, please try and steam bake. I don't know how to explain it. Steam bake. When you want to bake your cake on your oven, the first layer, immediately after the, will I call it the burner, the first layer, please put water. Use your pan, put water under. Before you, the next layer, you will now put your cake. So this, the one I mean call when I what I mean by steam baking is the heat from the oven or the burner, the water you put under will help to control the heat going straight to your cake when you're baking. So try and steam bake. If you're such a person, you bake directly, you just put your burner on, put your cake. Please try and steam bake. Use another extra pan, put enough water, just like half of the pan, put it immediately after the burner, the next layer, after the one with water, the next one, you cannot add your cake there. It will come out beautiful. Like I said before, bake on the lowest heat. Yes, lowest. Two, steam bake. The next one, please don't bake and travel to London. Yes, please, when you're baking, sorry, when you are baking, be around there. Immediately it's 15 minutes, 20 minutes, latest 20, 25. Please start checking your cake. Start checking it to be at a safer side. And the last one, immediately you bring out your cake from the oven. Use your cling film. Is it cling film? Yes. Wrap your cake up. Wrap it up then. Immediately. I didn't say keep it, allow it to coat. No. Immediately you remove it. Just like 5 minutes, wrap it up. Wrap it up. It helps to retain the moistness. It helps to retain the softness. It helps to make your cake look so moist. So don't and look so beautiful and tender. So wrap it up. If you don't have cling film, please look for leather. Yes, look for leather and wrap it up. Nylon and wrap it up. Feel free to apply this my little tips. I believe it will be of help to someone outside there. And if you have questions, please feel free to ask. I'm always here. I wish you're testing this cake with me. I know you will love it. This cake is so tasty. Hmm? It's so nice. So I believe these little tips of mine will be of help to someone outside there. Please, if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to click on the notification bell. Feel free to drop your question at any time. Follow me on Instagram, Progressive Cakes. And once again, the cake you're seeing right here, both the chocolate, both the vanilla, both the red velvet, I'll be sharing it on this channel. So it's only left for you to subscribe so that you will not mix the recipe when I drop them, each of them. When I drop any of the recipes, you will not mix. So make sure you are a member. Please don't come and watch my video and go away. Please subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. I love you so much. Don't forget to wish me happy birthday. Don't forget to drop a word of prayer for me. Please don't forget to send me gifts. I need gifts. Thank you so much. Bye.